Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today I'm going to unbox one packet which I've ordered from Shoploose. I've already unpacked because I was very too curious about that, how I get the lead in just rupees 50, my dear friends. So as I can show you my invoice which I've ordered as per the Shoploose, I get this on 49 rupees only, my dear friends, and it's a Tiitan S11 earphones, my dear friends. So my dear friends, there's nothing to be different about that. You will get something different. You will get this thing in this, my dear friends, and this is how you will get a Tiitan S11 earphones, my dear friends. And here you will be getting that if you are, suppose you're driving or something and you have earplug this, so you can able to attend and cut your phone calls. You can use this on your video calls, and audio quality of this earphone is also very nice, as they have also just said that it's a stereo earphones, my dear friends. And they have just mentioned their features, my dear friends: high quality sound, multi-device compatible, comfortable, and voice call compatible, my dear friends. So I'm truly very impressed by this packet, and in just rupees 49, what you are expecting more, my dear friends, and it's amazing. So I will suggest you